Experiencing connected but no sound with your Sony WF earbuds? You're not alone. This issue, affecting roughly 15 to 20% of users as of early 2026, means your earbuds are paired via Bluetooth, but no audio is playing. We'll explore the common causes and, more importantly, how to fix it on models like the WF-1 1000 XM4, XM5, and X6. The no sound problem often arises from Bluetooth glitches. Your Sony WF earbuds use Bluetooth Low Energy for pairing and Advanced Audio Distribution Profile, or A2DP, for high-quality audio transmission. The audio stream sometimes fails even when the earbuds appear connected. Low battery levels, especially under 10%, can trigger this problem. Codec mismatches, such as SBC versus LDAC audio codecs, can also cause the no-sound issue. Blocked app permissions on your device can prevent proper audio output. Wi-Fi interference, particularly from routers operating on the 2.4 GHz band, can disrupt Bluetooth signals. Start with the plug-and-play test. Connect your Sony WF earbuds to a different device like a phone, tablet, or laptop to see if the issue persists. If the earbuds work on another device, the problem likely lies with your original device. If the issue persists across devices, try clearing Bluetooth caches. Outdated software accounts for a large number of cases. Update your operating system to Android 14 or iOS 18 and newer versions. Sony's Headphones Connect app serves as your primary tool for managing and troubleshooting your WF earbuds. This mobile application provides essential diagnostic and update features that can resolve connectivity issues before they become major problems. First, ensure the Sony Headphones Connect app is updated to the latest version available on your App Store. App updates often include new diagnostic tools and improvements to connectivity handling, so running an outdated version can prevent you from accessing these essential features. Use the app's sound test mode to verify the audio transmission path between your device and earbuds. This diagnostic feature, introduced in recent app updates, plays test tones and checks for proper audio routing, resolving the connected but no sound issue for a significant number of users without requiring complex resets. Regularly check for firmware updates for your earbuds directly within the Sony Headphones Connect app. These updates contain important bug fixes for connectivity issues, including improvements to Bluetooth stability and audio transmission reliability that can eliminate the connected but no sound problem entirely. By keeping the Sony Headphones Connect app updated and utilizing its diagnostic features like sound test mode and firmware updates, you can effectively troubleshoot and prevent many connectivity issues with your WF earbuds. For iPhone users, start by checking your privacy settings. iOS updates can block audio permissions for the Sony app. Next, reset your network settings on the iPhone. Finally, repair the earbuds through the Sony app. On Android devices, ensure the Sony app has necessary permissions like microphone and storage. If problems continue, clear the app's cache and data. If basic troubleshooting fails, try resetting your Sony WF earbuds. Consult your user manual or the Sony support website for the specific reset procedure for your model. After resetting, completely remove the earbuds from your device's Bluetooth list. Then repair them as if they were new. This forces a fresh connection and can resolve lingering software glitches. Bluetooth interference can be a hidden culprit. Try moving away from potential sources of interference like Wi-Fi routers or other Bluetooth devices. In the Sony Headphones Connect app, experiment with different Bluetooth codecs like SBC, AAC, and LDAC. Sometimes, switching to a different codec can improve stability and resolve the no sound issue. If none of the troubleshooting steps work, your Sony WF earbuds may have a hardware issue. Contact Sony support or a qualified technician for further diagnosis and potential warranty repair. Looking ahead, advancements in AI-driven diagnostics and Bluetooth technology promise more stable connections. Keep your firmware updated and stay informed about new features to minimize future connectivity problems.